Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you change your airdrop name on iPhone or iPad. So guys, it's super easy. At first you need to go to your phone settings. Now after going to your phone settings, there are two ways that you can change your airdrop name. Now the first way is just go to general and in the top click on about, the first one. And here you can see name, just change the name, and by doing it your airdrop name has been changed. Now for the second way, just in the top here you can see your Apple ID, click on it. Here you can see personal information, click on it, and here you can see name. You can just change the name from here and click the top right, done. And by doing it you can just change your airdrop name. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find it helpful. If you guys find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.